This project is called Regenerative Agroforestry for Indigenous Wellbeing in Nature, in short, Project ReGAIN. We're aiming to plant a total of 3 million trees and restore 1,200 hectares of degraded or denuded areas, bring it back to a natural forest that can become a habitat for the Philippine eagles, and also a source of ecosystem renewal and a healthy ancestral domain. Well, we believe that the life of the Philippine eagle and the culture of indigenous peoples are inextricably linked. Together, they share the same ancestral forests. So by preserving the Philippine eagle, protecting its forest, we're also ensuring the rejuvenation of indigenous culture. The Sabit Festival is a Thanksgiving festival, but it's also a prayer for reconciliation as well as healing of their ancestral domains. It's both an expression of thanks and a deep hope for a better life in the coming years. A successful ReGAIN project would show you a forest teeming with biodiversity, indigenous stewards benefiting from that healthy forest. It's how it was in the olden days, where people and biodiversity are living harmoniously together, nurturing each other's lives.